No matter what career you have right now, if you wake up every day with a passion to be the best that you can be, then you're a warrior and you belong here. It's a lifestyle and it's a mindset. Welcome back, all you warriors. Another episode of Elite Landscapes Life Stories. We got mulching madness again, and it's a tractor trailer load on one property. 64 scoops. I'll show you what we're getting into, and we'll talk a little bit later on. But this episode is sponsored by Sarge at Everyday Detailing. They gave me that birthday mug. Dude, that's like the best present I've ever received, period. Love that coffee mug. Thank you so much, man. We're a community here. We're not here to rag on each other. We're not here to bring each other down. So if you're into that, keep on rolling to the next YouTube closet door, because this door ain't for you if you're not positive. Let's check it out, what we got going on.
Okay, I'll blow it.
Let's leave one blow here anyway. We got to blow the edge. Paul is scraping. Oh yeah. All right, so it is 5 o'clock. We got a little bit left, and we're putting it way back there because all this is done. Got the whole place taken care of. I'll walk you around here in a second, or maybe I'll wait till tomorrow. I'm not sure yet, but I'll show you a few things right now. Thank you, sir. All right, guys. That was 20 scoops. Everybody's back is about broken and done. We freshly deep edged every single bed on this property. Did some cleanup around all those boxwoods, big huge horseshoe circle of boxwoods, and yeah, we're beat down a little bit, but the place looks amazing. And tomorrow I'll be back here to do some plant design and some installations. Got some cool stuff to put in the ground if we can find it. Welcome back, all you warriors. Another episode of Elite Landscapes Life Stories. We are at the castle property, and we put the fresh mulch down yesterday. It was 20 scoops. All right. Now, yes, there were 4 of us, so it should have been relatively easy. It's not like I did it solo, but it was a lot of work. Edged out a lot of fresh edged beds that hadn't been touched in a couple seasons, and the boys are back in the backyard right now doing that today. So we're gonna use today as our prepping day, and I've got a landscape project that we're gonna get into. Let me take you over here. Pretty cool little project, and hopefully it'll turn out nice. All right, so this is a new generator that was put in, and our mission today is to hide this generator from view of many different angles, as many as possible. So we're gonna rearrange this whole area right here, approaching it, plant shrubs. We need shrubs here, blocking it from the house view, and we may end up having to put some stuff down here at the bottom to block it from this view. So I'm just going to incorporate this bed, join in that tree ring, and connect it up here to this bed. I'll show you. We already have this bed here, and we'll just kind of flow this whole area together. We'll leave the stepping stones inside the mulch bed, and of course we're going to raise them and reset them. But we need to establish a hedge in front of this beautiful machine, and hopefully the carbon monoxide that's going to come off this machine will not kill many shrubs. I think it's going to kill at least 1 or 2 that are around it eventually. So this is what it is when you come up to the house. And this is right at the front door. So we're removing this stuff here because it's swag. And we need to plant something that grows tall in front of this holly bush. So we need this to be covered up. So, nice little project to get into. And I didn't have another day of hardcore mulching in me after yesterday. So we're gonna get into this prepping stage and landscaping stuff today. And we'll be back Thursday strong doing the rest of this mulching. I did pay my wife last night for a wonderful massage, and I didn't pay her till afterwards. She did it for free, but it was so good and so beneficial. I just gave her $150 play money today, because if you can ever get your wife to give you a rub down after mulching 20 scoops, you feel like a different person in the morning, a new man. I'll check back in.